Today, as always, one day in Hannover on the EMO show, VDMA organized this event of networking for all the cutting tool industry in Germany. So all the big cutting tool makers in Germany are on this event to make networking, to talk to each other. And that's always very important to have a good network in Germany.
We are here at the VDMA booth, and there is a discussion on the cutting tool, on the precision tools, and the situation currently happening here in Germany and around the world.
As the Indian market is growing, and we are proud to be a part of that, and we hope to see more business relationships between our company and Indian companies as the innovations, especially for the Indian market, are very important to us.